Georgie Holbrook, and many of you have read this book on autoimmune. This is a before picture of me up here. But in this book is a chapter called Baptize Yourself and Heal. So I had an extreme case of rosacea, losing my eyesight at age 42, and looked pretty helpless. And so the church elders offered to baptize me, thinking that somehow, whatever I had done in the past, they kept thinking it was something had done in the past that was now showing up on my face. So I was baptized 3 times over a period of time. And every time I come out of the water, I looked the same, but I felt worse. I felt shame. Why wasn't God blessing me? So as you know in my story, I healed emotionally because back then nobody asked me what I was feeling, what it was like to land spoils every day. Did I need a hug? Had I cried? No, I hadn't cried. So I pretended to be strong, but I wasn't strong. So I want you to take this song to heart. Make it your song. Maybe you're into something other than Jesus. Pick a saint. Pick a master teacher. Just sing it, knowing that you have all the information within you to self-heal. And that your soul language, if you have any kind of health issue or unhappiness in your environment or your relationships, come back to basics. Your soul language is speaking to you and trying to redirect your life to the fullness of God. So join me. Let this song, Baptize Me in the Water, become your song. And I'm sending you prayers and love this day. Please share this video with others. Subscribe to my YouTube, and together we can help